Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we solve Maths Kangaroo 2026 for levels 3 and 4. So today we solve 3 points question. The first question is, which animal fits into the square? If you look at here and draw the shape of this, it is something L shape. And if you look at the option A has the same L shape. So this will fit here, which is in the L shape. That means option A is the answer. Question number 2. Anita wants to fill several small boxes and she wants to make small boxes from this big box. Now, each box has to have a pencil, a wide brush, and a narrow brush. So, three things: a pencil, a narrow brush, and a wide brush. Now, let's count. Pencil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 pencils. Wide brush 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 wide brushes. And we have narrow brush, which is 1, 2, 3. That means 3 narrow brushes. Small box that she can fill, that way is 3. The reason is she has only 3 small brushes. Now, question number 3. Finn has 5 pencils and the shortest pencil is blue. That means this pencil is blue, and then the green and red pencils are of same length. So one is green and one is red. They have same length. And next, the purple pencil is shorter than yellow one. That means the yellow is the longest. So this is purple and this is yellow. Now the option is, which pencil is purple? Option A, this is the purple one. Question number 4. Vicky is standing on the black square. So he is standing on this black square. Now she wants to get to Killian, who is standing on white square. So from here, she has to go to this white. Now, there's options that we have to choose which path must Vicky take to get here. So let's choose from here. If she goes, then there is a blockage. Here is block. So she cannot use this path. So this way, if she goes, then there is no way. So this X option is not possible. Even W, if she, so there is no way to go. This option is wrong. Let's try for Y. If she goes that way, there is no way. If she follows this way, then there is also no way. So Y is also not possible. Now, if she goes from here, Z, then she can try this option. Finally, she can go to that way. So the path that Vicky takes to get there is from Z. Now, the way she goes is, so she follows this way and finally go here. So from G to Q. So this is the correct answer. Now, question number 5. Elena lays a wool threaded along the lines of a gray. The total length of the wool thread is 12. That means from this point to this point is 12 units. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That means what is the length of the thread from 0 to this asterisk? Again, so this is 1 unit from here to here. So the 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the correct answer is 7. Question number 6. Daniel draws a white, a gray, and a black kangaroo in each of the 9 boxes. Now, there is always exactly one kangaroo of each color in each column and each row. That means no repetition of the same color. So there should be a white, there should be a gray, there should be a black in each column and each row. It simply means, now here the possibility is the black kangaroo, because we have gray kangaroo here, the white is here, so this should be a black. Again, we have the possibility here is only white, right? Because there is a gray, black, and white. So now that also means these two should not be white. The white is not possible here because we have already white here. At the end, the black is not possible. So this is not for black. So any option which has black at the end and the white at the bottom is not possible. So this option is not possible because there is a black. So this is wrong. There is a black kangaroo. So this option is also not right. Again, at the end, there's a black kangaroo. So this is not possible. And there's a white kangaroo at the last, this row. So even this is not possible. So only option A is possible. That means this can be a black, this can be a gray, and this can be a white. And finally, this will be also gray. So the option white, gray, and black is the right. So this is white, gray, and black. In that way, there is no repetition of the same color. Now, question number 7. The 3 pictures show a kangaroo, a lion, a tiger, and ostrich. So they are escaping from the zoo. Now the question is, in which order they go through the gate? So if you look at the first one, in the first picture, this lion is in front of the tiger. In the last, the tiger is in front of the ostrich, and then ostrich is in front of the kangaroo. That simply means this lion is in front of tiger. So lion 1, tiger 2. And tiger is in front of the ostrich. So ostrich is in third position. So this ostrich, then after the kangaroo. So the option should be lion, then tiger, then ostrich, and finally kangaroo. So we have this option where we have lion, then tiger, ostrich, and finally kangaroo. So the option is D. It's correct answer. So here is question number 8. Anna, Babsi, and Clara. They are buying ice cream. So one buys strawberry ice cream, another buys vanilla ice cream, and next buys chocolate ice cream. Now, one buys one scoop of ice cream, next 2 scoops of ice cream, and next 3 scoops of ice cream. So they buy different types of ice cream and different scoop. Now here Anna buys and does not buy any strawberry ice cream and buys the fewest scoop. That means the fewest scoop in this option is this. So this is for Anna. Next, Bobsy does not buy any chocolate ice cream. So since Anna has bought this ice cream, which is vanilla ice cream, and Bobsy does not buy chocolate ice cream. So this is not for Bobsy. And vanilla is not for Bobsy. That means she bought either A or C. She bought strawberry ice cream. That means now the one who buys the most scoop buy chocolate ice cream. So this is bought by now Clara. Because this vanilla is for Anna. She bought the fewest scoop. Since she didn't buy the chocolate ice cream, that means she either bought this one or this one. And the final one who bought the chocolate is Clara. Another question is, which ice cream does Clara buy? Of course, the option E. So if you have any question, you can write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching video. I'll see you with the next section in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.